Hey, it's your girl Chab, and today I'm coming at you with my winter favorite. All these products that I have in front of me are products that I've been using all winter long. My skin has been particularly dry this season. It's been a little bit colder than most winters, even though it hasn't really snowed here. I live in the East Coast, not New York and not Florida. All these products didn't necessarily launch in the winter. Some of them have, some of them haven't. Some of them launched end of 2017. But I'm gonna show you all the products that I've been using this winter. Are we gonna do a drinking game again? If I say favorite or favorito, then you gotta take a shot, okay, fool? And it's gonna be tequila. So if you wanna see my favorites, then let's get started. So one of my first favorites right here is this. It's a big old jar of Cetaphil. I got this from Costco. Hashtag Costco keeps the cost low. I got this Cetaphil right here. This is a moisturizing cream for dry, sensitive skin. This junk, I use a lot of it and it's still like really full and really nice. So I just dip my finger in there, of course, when my hands are clean, and I just go smooth it out all over the skin. And I put extra amounts on my skin, especially in the evening, so that way it acts as like a moisturizing mask. So that's what I like to use. It is definitely one of my favorites because it keeps my skin hydrated and super smooth day and night. Love this stuff. Next on my favorites list is actually a point perk from Sephora, and I got this at, I think it's 100 point perk. It is the Laneige sleeping mask. We are using a lot of hydrating products, but this right here, you get a lot of product and you only need a little bit. So what I do is I scoop up a little bit, put it on my lips, and then I leave it on. And sometimes I like to use it as just a regular lip balm, but I'll use it at home because my hands tend to get dirty when I go outside. So I just go boop and then put it on my lips, and it looks super juicy and nice, and my lips haven't been dry just because of this stuff. It's so freaking good. Next on my favoritos, I have the Bite Beauty Agave Lip Balm right here. And this stuff I use constantly. It kind of melted a little bit because it's been in my pocket, and my pockets sweat because my legs sweat because I sweat. I'm sweaty. I really like this stuff. It's really nice, really hydrating, especially on days where I don't wear a whole lot of makeup to like no makeup, and I still want my lips to be super nice and hydrated. And usually I keep this at home and then I take this with me to work or wherever, so it's like kind of fading and stuff. A nice alternative to like waxy chapstick, like, which I just found out that they put alcohol in chapstick, so I'm not using chapstick anymore. Reason why is, come on, alcohol dries out things, so this stuff is gonna be like hydrating, you know what I mean? I don't know anything about like formula ingredients and stuff, but I'm not using chapstick anymore. But agave, hello, tequila, favorito, ding ding ding, there you go. Next, since we're going to the skincare, I have with me my Garnier Skin Active Soothing Facial Mist right here, and y'all been seeing me use this a lot. It is a vegan formula because it has not been tested on animals, but I still eat steak sometimes. I love this stuff. It smells like roses. It's super nice and refreshing, especially when you're not wearing makeup. But then when you are wearing makeup, guys, the tea. Garnier didn't know, but I know. If you put this on over your makeup, it makes it look, hold on. Hashtag super smooth, okay? That is the new hashtag for Chab. It's really nice, really good, really super smooth, and I love this stuff. My hair is getting crazier and crazier. Okay, we're gonna go back to lip stuff really quick. I have here my Rouge Dior liquid lipstick right here, and this is the shade 424 Hypnotic, and it is a beautiful lip. I am wearing it today, and it is a nice, comfortable matte lipstick. So it is a liquid because it comes in this right here, but it just looks like, it's matte, but it's not like a drying matte like some of the other liquid lipsticks that I have. It still dries, but it does transfer a little bit, but that's okay because it's like barely transferred, and it looks really nice and it feels really comfortable. And I like that it comes in like this cheeky deaky too. It's expensive, okay, but guys, it's really good. It comes in a bunch of different colors. It is expensive. I forget how much it costs, but I will link it down below. But it is really, really nice. Highly recommend this, especially if you have dry lips like your girl Chab. That's me. I'm Chab. What's up? Next, I have my Josie Maran Vibrancy Foundation, and I'm in the shade G55 Adventurous. And this joint right here is a beautiful bottle. Like, first of all, look at the packaging. A rainbow. Hello. Hashtag love wins. And it's really nice. It has argan oil in it because Josie Maran is like known for their argan oil and everything like that. This stuff is very, very hydrating. It leaves a dewy finish to the skin, but definitely set it with powder if you get a little oily here and there and everywhere. But I love this stuff, especially for dry skin. Highly, highly, highly recommend for dry skin because it's not gonna make it look super cakey or super like gross and nasty. And what's good about it though, even though it is a good foundation for dry skin, it is also a full cover. It's like medium to full cover, I should say. Medium to full cover. So it's really nice. A lot of the new foundations that have come out that are full coverage, they're all like matte. And for girls with dry skin, girls or boys, hashtag love wins, this stuff is good for dry skin. Yeah, okay. That's what I'm saying. Next, on my favoritos, we have the new Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour Concealers. And I have two shades right here. I have C3 and C7. C7 is more of like a medium, light medium. So it's good for like under the eye, but it isn't too bright. But I got C3 because it's like bright. So that's why I have these two right here. It took me a little bit to get them, so that's why I didn't do a review on these new concealers, because usually when something's new, I like to snag it right away and I like to review them. But this stuff is so good. So everybody is comparing this to the Tarte Shape Tape concealers, which they are canceled now because of that foundation. Don't even want to talk about it. So this stuff is really good because it's full coverage, but it's not quite like the Tarte Shape Tape, because Tarte Shape Tape kind of dries a little more matte, where this is kind of like almost a satin finish. It's not quite matte and it's definitely not dewy. It's like a satin finish, which I think is totally great, especially for concealing under the eyes and stuff. They have a wide range, like bigger than the frame here, like whoa. It has a great shade range and I really love this concealer. Easy to blend, beautiful, awesome, great shades, done. Next, okay, we're gonna talk about Kevyn Aucoin Central Skin Enhancer in SX07. This is my favorito right here. I use this all the time for cutting the brows, made them look fleeky, nice, sweet, and suave. It's a really, really good product because you can use it as a full coverage foundation or you can use it as a concealer, and it will cover everything. It'll cover everything. It'll cover all your secrets. It'll cover all your sins. It is like the closest thing to world peace right here. I love this stuff. It's super creamy. It has a nice dewy finish, but it can be set down and turn into a matte finish if you put a little powder on top of it, and it does not move. I love this stuff. I use it all the time. It's not new. It is a staple. Next, we're gonna talk about this Makeup Forever thing right here. What's inside? It is the new eyeshadows that are newly formulated from Makeup Forever. I just got this recently. I really love it. Thanks, Mom, for buying this for me because I am not on anyone's PR list. No one knows me. I have 100 subscribers. Love you guys. So this stuff is really nice. It's super creamy, super buttery. Look, I picked out all these colors and I really like them. First of all, package, hello, and then mirror, hello mirror, come true mirror. I love this and I love the colors. They're super nice and super pigmented. I have their individual eyeshadows before that come in a little round, the round pans, but then these are like on a totally different level. Like, let me swatch. Look at that. OMG. This color right here, this color right here, get ready. Girl, who is she? Okay, let me get Kirkland because knowing me, I'm gonna touch everything and it's gonna get on my hands, but Kirkland is coming through, hashtag not sponsor. Guys, I wanna just share with you right away, my Costco card expired, so my dad bought me the wipes. So thanks, Dad. I know you watch my videos, Dad. You're learning about makeup? Yeah. Next product. So next on my winter favoritos is my highlight combo right here. So this is the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Glow Highlighter in number 3. This is like a champagne-y rose gold type of situation right here. It is a nice cream, and creams, everybody knows, is really good for dry skin, but this stuff right here. So I go in with like a dual fire brush and I just go, and then I just go. And then this is what the highlight I have on today, rose gold, hello, come true. But like, guys, like, look how beautiful it is. It's so beautiful. And then the Wombo combo right here, hashtag Wombo combo highlighter, rose gold. I have this Master Chrome from Maybelline by Face Studio, whatever. And this is the metallic highlighter in the shade Molten Rose Gold. And guys, you layer these two together, Lord. Okay, first of all, look at it alone. Hello, come through glow. But then if you just layer it on top, Y'all see that? Y'all see that? I'm getting so hyped over this rose gold. It's so beautiful. I really like this stuff. It's really nice and it makes your skin super smooth, especially if you have dry skin and you're trying to revitalize it and make it look beautiful, but also make your skin pop so it doesn't look dry. This is the combo right here, y'all. Rose gold. Rose gold is classic. Okay, next favorito, next favorite is the bronze booster from Physicians Formula, and this is the shade medium to dark, and this joint is a oldie but a goodie. And guys, this is like a nice like contour slash like all over bronzer, and the reason why is because it's not orange and it's not gray. It is like the best in between, and then it kind of has like a sheen to it. This is a good dupe for some of the Becca bronzers that they have, like the new ones, whatever. Yeah, it's the, I don't know the proper name for it, but it's the Becca bronzes, okay? It's got a nice like luminous sheen to it, but it's like not too much. It's a satin finish, guys. The move of 2018 is satin finish everything except for the highlighters. There's always gonna be like high gloss, okay? But this is a really pretty highlighter, especially if you got dry skin again, because we are looking for luminosity. We are trying to enhance and bring out the glow into our skin instead of it looking sallow and sad. So yeah, this is a beautiful bronzer. It's really nice. It is buildable, so it goes a long way. Love it so much. Thank you, Physicians Formula. Come out with more shades. I'm watching y'all. And last but certain not least, we have the Touch Up Pure One Step Camilla Cleansing Oil right here. And this stuff I'm pretty much almost out of, I think. But I love this stuff. I use it all over my face. I use it on my lips. I use it on my eyes. I use it everywhere. I use this because it is so good. It's so kind to the skin. You just put it on and it takes off everything. So literally, I'll just do like the Instagram thing where like they go and it takes out all of my makeup, especially since I wear waterproof mascara. It takes everything out. If I wear a really tough liquid lipstick like that Kat Von D stuff, that stuff stays on forever. Even Kirkland, look at this, nasty. Even Kirkland can't take off Kat Von D. Well, it can, but it's gonna hurt. But this stuff makes it super easy peasy. All you gotta do is put a little bit of pump and it's go in the skins, and it makes it so cool. And especially since this is a cleansing oil, it's going to cleanse your face and not break you out. So that's what I love. Oils that make you not break out but make you feel freaking good. So yeah, those are my favoritos. All right, guys, so this is my favorites. You drunk now? These are all of my winter favorites for 2017 through 2018 right here. All this stuff is thebomb.com. It's been revitalizing my skin. It's been making me feel good. It's been making me feel one with God, one with the earth, one with Mother Nature. It is good to me, girl, because it's just getting colder. I don't know when it's gonna get warmer. Hello, spring, where are you? Spring! And everything that I have talked about will be listed in the description down below, so you can go check it out, okay? If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and follow me on all these social medias down below right here. Please follow me because I'm really fun. Like, my Snapchat is really fun. Like, hold on, let me show you really quick what I got on my Snapchat. No, I'm just kidding, I don't have anything. But follow me anyway. Maybe I'll put on more, who knows? That's what she said. I've been watching The Office. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or what you would like to see next. As always, thank you for watching. Bye. Oh yeah, all right. And what? Oh, it's beautiful. I gotta breathe, girl. What are you doing?